Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Now today I do have some things to do, but before that I want to do my hair care and show you guys the products that I use. The most hair fall that I experienced my whole life was when COVID hit. Like everyone else, even I had severe hair fall, like the kind of hair fall I've never experienced. And then I started using Care's strong roots, and it really helped me. Not only me, but my brothers also were using it, and it helped them a lot. But then I also wanted to grow out my length and uh, just get back my hair texture and the thickness and all of that. And I couldn't tell you guys back then why I was trying to do it, because I hadn't announced anything about my engagement or me planning to get married. But I started using this Cesa's onion hair oil with Bringraj. Now the reason I am using this is because when COVID hit, like I said, Cesa really suited me and it really helped me with my hair loss. And when I wanted to switch to something else, I had to do it with Cesa only, because I'm really scared of trying out anything and experimenting, because I don't have that kind of time to experiment with anything else. So I just went with whatever I trusted, and this is the brand I trust. So I'm just going to oil my hair and then show you the shampoo and conditioner that I use. So this 3-step kit that consists of the hair oil, shampoo and conditioner has unique formulation that helps boost hair growth and repairs hair damage. So it comes with this comb application, which is just very easy to use, and I just like to directly squeeze it in like that. It also equally distributes the oil to your scalp. So the Cesa onion hair growth oil with Bringraj obviously has onion and Bringraj in it, but it also has Ayurvedic herbs like hibiscus, brahmi and curry leaves. It also consists of cold press oils like olive, castor, coconut, sunflower, jojoba, almond, grapeseed, rosemary and carrot seed. Now what does these ingredients do? They'll help boost hair growth, help maintain pH balance of your hair, prevents hair fall and thinning, prevent breakage and split ends, and repairs your hair from damage. And if you've chemically treated your hair, it also helps repair that. Of course, this oil has no mineral oil, it has no parabens, no silicones, no artificial fragrance or color. It is safe for colored and chemically treated hair, and it is for all hair types. So whether you are a male, female, you can definitely use this. Once you've distributed this oil on your scalp, make sure to use your fingers and slightly massage it so that the oil gets absorbed by your scalp and you get the benefits of it. Okay, so once I've applied the oil, I just like to put my hair in a bun and leave it for an hour. Sometimes I leave it overnight, but to wash off the oil and condition my hair, I use Cesa's onion conditioner with Rita and Shikakai and Cesa's onion shampoo with Rita and Shikakai. Like I've mentioned multiple times on my channel, when you use products that are made together, they work really well and they give you faster results and are very effective, whether it is hair care or skin care. That's why I like sticking to one brand, and for me it has been Care, because when COVID hair fall hit, I was extremely frustrated and really worried, because I was having crazy hair fall, and Cesa really helped me that time. And that's why I also trusted it with my wedding hair care, because I wanted to grow out my length, and I've been using this for more than 3 months, I guess. Not only me, even my brothers use it, because all of us are getting ready for my wedding. But yeah, I'm going to just leave this for an hour and then be back. Now both the Cesa Onion Damage Repair Shampoo and Conditioner with Rita and Shikakai have onion with Rita and Shikakai. It also has Ayurvedic herbs like aloe vera, hibiscus, amla and green tea, which helps strengthen hair and boost growth. It also helps maintain pH balance, prevents hair fall, thinning, breakage and split ends, repairs damage from heat and chemicals. Detangles hair, improves softness and shine. Again, this does not have parabens, sulfates, silicones or artificial color. It does contain added natural fragrance derived from essential oils. Its mild formulation is safe for colored or chemically treated hair. So I just finished washing my hair, guys, and that's it. I try to let it air dry now, especially because the weather is a little better, but if not, I do use a hair dryer and it doesn't really affect with the results. My hair is still doing much better. The length, even though right now my hair is curled up, is still grown a lot in these few months. Something about the Sessa's onion conditioner, I really cannot explain to you. The consistency is extremely light. It's not like other conditioners, but it just keeps your hair hydrated. Now my hair is right now in that awkward not completely drying, still wet kind of a stage right now, but you can see my hair fall has reduced so much. And not only my hair fall, it has also helped with my dandruff as well, which is a big problem for me, especially during the colder days. My scalp gets dry and gets flaky and the dandruff is too much, and this has helped with the dandruff as well. I will leave the link to all these products in the description box. You can check it out, and if I have a coupon code, I will leave it on the screen or in the description box for you guys to use. But I absolutely love my results, and since it is my wedding, I do not want to risk with any other products, so I'm very careful about what I use, and this product has given me amazing results, so you should definitely try it out. And I will meet you guys in the vlog again. I'm kind of liking the way my hair is looking today, and it feels just so soft and hydrated to touch, but I think this is suiting my face right now.